We are asked to write the symbol for the cation, which are positive ions, and anion, which are negative ions that are isoelectronic with krypton. So krypton here is number 36. There's many answers to this. I'm just going to give you the first one before and after. Bromine, a neutral bromine atom has 35 protons and 35 electrons. They're balanced, so they're neutral. Now, atoms can gain electrons. In this case, if bromine gained 1 electron, it would be isoelectronic with krypton. And then rubidium can lose 1 electron, and then it will also be isoelectronic with krypton. So they will have one example of each. What did it ask us? Just a symbol? All right. So bromine, if it gained an electron, would it be negative? Or all right, well, it's negative. There's your symbol for the anion. And then metals will generally lose electrons and become positive. Electrons are negatively charged particles, so if you lose a negatively charged particle, there's going to be more protons. There's an imbalance, right? So it's positive. There's your answer to part A. Let's do part B. Is it possible for a cation to be isoelectronic with an anion in the same period? Sure. Sure. So let's do cation and anion. But no, because hold on. Let's take this simple case here. No, you can't, because anions would have to lose. Anions gain electrons, so when you gain an electron, you end up with more electrons. And when you hold on, we can do this. All right, so this is probably not very typical, but let's say silicon gains an electron and sulfur loses an electron. This is really not the way things would happen. Not very common, but we can make things happen like this. Like, we can zap these electrons off using X-rays. All right, so yeah, if sulfur lost an electron, sulfur doesn't want to lose electrons, but we could rip it off there, and then it would be a sulfide, one positive cation. And then if silicon gained an electron, right, so that would be Si negative, and they would both be isoelectronic to phosphorus. They would all have 15 electrons, so it is possible. Explain. We just did.